Hi there guys, in this tutorial you're gonna learn a few easy ways to add visual effects to your games. Let's get started by going to our workspace. We're gonna look for the base plate, select the base plate, and we're gonna go and change the material. I want to change it to grass, and also we want to change the color of our grass to green. So now we have green grass in our game. Next thing I want to do is I want to go to the toolbox, and how about we select vehicle here. We're gonna bring a car to our game. I'm gonna move the car over here, and also I want to look for some trees. How about we get this old oak tree here, and also I want to look for some bushes. So I'm gonna search for bushes, and I'm gonna take this bush here. Whoa, it goes on the tree, okay. Let me close this window here, the toolbox, and now we can move the bush somewhere else, like right over here. Okay, I'll move the car closer to it. Alright, so now we have a tree, a bush, and a car. I'm gonna go to my bush, and let's expand it. How about we select the leaf here, and we're gonna go to our model, menu tab, we're gonna go to gameplay, effects, and we're gonna click on fire. So we're adding a fire to the leaf of the bush. You can change the size of your fire by selecting the fire and go to the properties window. There is a size property. Right now it's 5. You can change that to 10. And now you have a larger fire. If you want even more fire, you can copy this and maybe paste it into the other leaf. And now you have a big fire. Next, let's go to the car. We're gonna expand the car, and we're gonna go to the body of the car, expand the body of the car. We're gonna select bumper back, so the back bumper of the car. And again, we're gonna go to gameplay, effects. This time, instead of adding fire to the car, we're gonna add some smoke to the car. And there you see the car is smoking now. And lastly, we're gonna go to the workspace. Let me close the car and close the bush here. We're gonna go to the base plate, and we're gonna go again to gameplay, effects. This time we're gonna add some particle emitter to the base plate. Now you can see little flakes going up from the base plate. If you like, you can select the particle emitter, go to the properties window, and here we can change the rate of the flakes. So instead of 20, we can change it to 1000. And now you have much more flakes going up. There's also a lot of other properties here that you like. If you like, you can play around with them. You can change the angle, the speed, the rotation, all that stuff. You can even change the image of the flake by selecting a different image for your flakes. Let's now play test and take a look. So here I am inside the game. Here is the oak tree, and look at the bush is on fire, and the car is smoking in the back. And also you see flakes flying all over the place. Guys, that is how you add visual effects to your games.